I did geometry and how geometry shows that the Earth is not flat.
Mm-hmm.
There are some people. The internet brings out sort of the weirdest ideas, but there are some people who literally say that the Earth is flat, and so I did a couple of videos about how mathematics shows that that's not true. And I've got lots of other ideas of things I want to post, so we'll see.
Yeah, the flat Earth video of yours was really interesting. I am by no means a flat earther, but I'm still, how I'm not good at mathematics. I'll just say right off the bat. But how is it possible just with mathematics to prove that the Earth is a sphere?
That's a good question. So I would actually stay away from the word prove. I think that proof belongs in mathematics and logic. So I can prove that 2 + 2 = 4, or
Mm.
that there are an infinite number of prime numbers. I think as far as education, I'm sorry, as far as science goes, the natural world, you'd say things like there's strong evidence for this or for that. Um, if I look over there and see a tree, that's pretty strong evidence that there's a tree over there. But technically, it could be that there's a screen right there that somebody was trying to fool
Yeah.
me, and my eyes are deceiving me, and I'm experiencing some hallucination. So, as far as proof goes, all that to say, I wouldn't say that proof. Uh, yeah, I wouldn't say that you can prove X, Y, or Z about the real world. I would say geometry, the strong evidence for the Earth being not flat is that from two different cities, you can look up and see the moon at different angles, um, but you see the same face of the moon. That means the moon is really far away. And over the night, a full moon is up all night and it stays the same size in the sky the whole time.
Hmm.
Like you measure the size. So if it were really going over a flat plane, then it would be getting, smaller to bigger and
Ah,
bigger, then
yeah.
smaller and smaller.
Ah.
So just simple geometry, simple, you know, the idea of the law of perspective. And there's lots of different things like that that you can look at.
I also never understood how you can argue that the Earth is flat when you can literally fly from America to Asia, and I can fly from Europe to America, right? So how would that
That's
work
right.
if the Earth is flat?
Uh, it wouldn't, but in general, they have long, complicated explanations for all kinds of things.